Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I will be showing you how to make blueberry scones, the healthy recipe. I've searched online and I keep seeing the same ingredients, which is flour, butter, sugar, and even though this is very tasty and I'm saying every once in a while it's really nice to eat the original scone. For breakfast I like to have something that makes me feel good about myself so that when I am done with breakfast, I feel energized. Also, something that is very important to me whenever I look up a recipe is what I can substitute for the ingredients that are in the recipe with the ingredients I have at home. And then you can make use of what you have at home and you don't have to go out and buy new things. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the recipe now. Okay, first we're going to start by taking half a cup of regular rolled oats. Now toss them into your bowl. Fill 1 full cup of oats, only this time toss it into your blender to create a flour-like consistency. Add a pinch of salt and around 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Okay, moving on to the wet ingredients. Break an egg and whisk it until it's a little frothy. Add 2 teaspoons of honey and 2 full tablespoons of peanut butter. Finally, we will add 1/3 of a cup of almond milk. Now mix it all together until it's uniform. Now create a circle in the center and pour in your wet ingredients. Now at this point I already separated the blueberries and added a little oat flour to mix it up. Add your blueberries and mix it into a wrapping movement. Place each scone flat on the baking paper. Later I found that using a spoon to assist you is way better. At this point, I already preheated my oven at 230 degrees Celsius. Now I'm gonna put them in the oven and leave them for 15 minutes. And voila! Present them and then enjoy.